ChatGPT, how can I become a millionaire by the end of the year? That is the same exact question I asked the AI this month, at the beginning of this month, and here is the answer. So ChatGPT told me that if I want to become a millionaire, I should have at least these three things. Number one, a business that I can scale, or assets that are appreciating, or I can create something that is scaling. Personally, I do not have a business and I do not have any assets, by the way. Look out for a video I'll be making about counting my net worth. So the only thing I have been left is scaling something that is growing very fast. And for me, it is content. I've been wanting to be a content creator for the longest time. And now that I have decided that I want to take this journey, here is what ChatGPT advised. I have two channels, a lifestyle channel and this channel where I talk about personal finances and just general things about finances and growth. Okay, so ChatGPT advised this, that I have to be consistent. In a way, I'll not depend on one viral video, but I'll grow my audience for the next 6 months from about 10,000 subscribers to 50,000 subscribers. That is the first stage. The next thing is to scale, or rather to create income from my channels. Here, I will not only rely on Google AdSense, which is the money that you get after people view your videos. Yes, generally that. So ChatGPT advised that I should scale on digital products. Also, I should do courses, affiliate marketing, coaching, and other services. I think these are very good advice, because with that, I'll be able to scale my income from just AdSense to other forms of income. If I do that with both channels, I'll be able to get maybe over $10,000 per month. However, ChatGPT told me that with AdSense alone, I can be making 2,000 to 3,000 per month. So you can imagine, with adding all these other things, and also as the channel grows, it becomes bigger. ChatGPT advised that I should learn at least one thing of all those things. One thing that I'll scale with. Other things might come, but I should be an expert in one thing, not just content creation, another thing. Okay? And that one can give me 2,000 to 5,000 per month. So from there, ChatGPT advised me to be documenting everything. What is working, what is failing, what is bringing money, what is bringing subscribers. Document everything step by step, in order to be able to monitor my growth and to understand where I can leverage or where I can add more effort. Okay, according to the smart AI, making $1 million by the end of the year is nearly impossible, because I'm just beginning. However, this is possible with time. I could give myself 2 years, 3 years, and I'll be able to get there. All right. The possibility of becoming a millionaire by the end of the year is not completely gone, because if I have a product that I'm selling, maybe at 1,000, if I sell 1,000 of those products, it goes viral, and I just sell 1,000 of those products, I'm done. I get my $1 million for this year. But do you think, guys, it is possible? I don't know. So the AI broke down what I can do. Number one is to start with just $1, maybe this month. Okay, this is not AdSense because I'm not yet monetized. Just $1 this month, and then from there I can get 50 the next month, and then from there I can get maybe 500, and then 1,000. From getting 1,000, now I can start scaling upwards. One thing that I loved about all this is that GPT advised for me to be very realistic. In a way, I'll not be disappointed by my goal, okay? So I'm not saying that I'll not be a millionaire, no. but maybe at this time it is not possible. The other thing, after being realistic, is to keep positive, because it is possible, only that it is not now. It is not maybe this year. However, the small changes that I'll make in my life, they'll start making me feel like my life is moving positively. So I expect to be positive all through. Oh, what do I think about this experience? I think ChatGPT was very, very realistic, positive, and encouraging. It is not easy when you tell somebody that you want to be a millionaire and they take you seriously. Most people think that you are joking or that you are aiming too high. However, for the AI, it was very realistic and also very encouraging. I think I'll use it again, maybe to predict a few things here and there to see how it goes. How have you used AI yourself? Please subscribe and share, and also comment below on what you think. Thank you.